What you doing?
Oh, looking at Labor Day sales.
Oh, that looks cool.
Anyways, let's take a look at this year's Labor Day sale. There you go. Freedom Fusion. Labor Day 2024 is bringing a variety of sales across multiple categories, including tech, home appliances, fashion, and outdoor gear. Amazon is offering discounts on a range of devices, including smart speakers, tablets, and more. Best Buy has up to 50% off on select appliances, with an additional promotion offering a $500 gift card on selected items. With this being a tech channel, we'll only go over the techie stuff unless you want something more. Let us know. Let us go over the list of what we think are pretty great for you. By the way, these are in no particular order. Let's start off with these Beats Studio Pro. The original price on these are going for $349.99. Now going for $299.96 on Amazon. These last up to 40 hours, so you can just vibe out listening to good old Frank Sinatra, or being from California. Sublime.
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 Or
Sublime.
Sublime. They come in different colors like black, deep brown, navy, and sandstone. Or more like white if you ask me. When you purchase these headphones, they're included with the carrying case along with a USB-C cable and a 3.5mm analog audio cable, or in other words, auxiliary cord. They have two listening modes, one of them being active noise cancelling mode, which continuously monitors the noise around you, then creates a precisely tuned filter to cancel noise at 48,000 times per second. The second mode is transparency mode, which lets the sound of your environment mix seamlessly with your music when you want to stay present and aware. There's a cool feature with those headphones called immersive spatial audio. What does that mean, you may ask? Well, with dynamic head tracking built in, sensors create an interactive experience, so you can get lost in the theater-like sound from your favorite content. Next up, the Sony gaming headset comes in black or white. Get this, it's noise cancelling. Noise cancelling gaming headsets are amazing and are a must need, especially when it comes to competitive gaming, and not only that, they're wireless.
Wait, so are those Sony headphones or PlayStation headphones?
The original price on these are $299.99, but now going for $229.99. Their maximum wireless range is 30 feet, which is pretty good radius with a battery life that lasts up to 32 hours. This headset is compatible with Windows and PlayStation 5. Sorry, Xbox. Up next, the HP Victus from Walmart. The HP Victus is a well-balanced gaming laptop that offers strong performance for gaming and other demanding tasks. Here's a breakdown of its key features. The original price on this is $979. Now, it is $599. This is like a gaming laptop on a budget. Well, it is exactly that. I can't believe this thing exists.
By the way, we'll be giving away this ROG Ally right here in the coming weeks. We'll also throw in a purple mod case so we can match, even with our nameplates with the 2-bit tech. You don't have to put it on, but you can have it either way. So subscribe and join our Discord, because we'll be posting updates and details on how to enter there and in a future video.
This is perfect for any college student who doesn't have the space for a desktop. It is also not tacky looking, which is a big plus for me. The laptop features a 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 144Hz refresh rate, which is ideal for gaming, providing smooth visuals and reducing motion blur during fast-paced action. It is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 8000 series, a mid-range processor that offers solid performance for gaming and multitasking. The Ryzen 5 is based on the Zen 3 architecture, delivering good energy efficiency and speed. A 512GB SSD provides fast boot times and quick load times for games and applications. While 512GB is decent, heavy gamers or users with large libraries of games might consider additional external storage. The laptop has a range of ports including USB Type-C, USB-A, HDMI, and an audio jack, which are common for gaming laptops. It should also include Wi-Fi 6 for faster and more stable wireless connectivity. This laptop is designed to provide a good gaming experience, especially for users who want a balance between performance and price. Like I say, gaming on a budget, right? Next up, number 3. You know when you're running out of storage in your Xbox and you don't want to delete games but also don't want something bulky sitting next to your console? Well, you can get this Seagate for your Xbox. It was $199.99, now $129.99 on Best Buy. This tiny 1TB storage expansion fits right behind your Xbox and it slides in just like that. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Keep in mind that these are only for Xbox Series X and Series S. There aren't many specs to talk about since its only purpose is just for storage expansion, but it helps a lot. I mean, I own one. Number 15. Burger King foot lettuce. Next up, another budget gaming laptop for you. The Acer Nitro. The Acer Nitro V is a gaming laptop designed for those who want solid gaming performance without breaking the bank. Here are the key features and specifications of this laptop. The laptop features a 15.6-inch Full HD display. This display offers vibrant colors and good viewing angles, which is crucial for an immersive gaming experience. The laptop is equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card, which is pretty decent in my opinion. This GPU is capable of handling most modern games at medium to high settings and also supports ray tracing and DLSS, which enhances gaming visuals. It comes with 8GB of DDR5 RAM. While this is sufficient for many games in general use, upgrading to 16GB might be beneficial for more demanding applications or to ensure smoother performance during intense gaming sessions. Now, if you're an Apple user that's always losing something like your wallet, car keys, or even if your dog decides to Metal Gear Solid the way out of your house, then these up by AirTags help you a lot.
You think the AirTags work with Android?
Original price of $99, now at $79.99. Keep track of and find your items alongside friends and devices in the Find My app. A simple one-tap setup instantly connects your AirTag with your iPhone or iPad. It plays a sound on the built-in speaker to help you find your things, or just ask Siri for help. Precision finding with ultra-wideband technology leads you right to your nearby AirTag, only on selected models of course. Find items further away with the help of hundreds of millions of Apple devices in the Find My network. AirTag is splash, water, and dust resistant, and was tested under controlled laboratory conditions with a rating of IP67 under IEC standard, or in other words, maximum depth of 1 meter up to 30 minutes. Splash water and dust resistance are not permanent conditions, and resistance might decrease as a result of normal wear. Make AirTag yours with a range of colorful accessories sold separately, obviously. Last but not least, the Dyson V15. One of the better vacuums in today. It's just amazing. We have one for the office, and I enjoy cleaning it with that. Anyways, the V15 Detect is equipped with a laser that illuminates dust particles on hard floors, making it easier to see and capture fine debris that might otherwise be invisible. This vacuum features Dyson's most powerful motor, providing up to 230 air watts of suction power. This ensures that it can handle even deep cleaning tasks on carpet and other surfaces. The vacuum offers up to 60 minutes of fade-free power, depending on the mode and attachments used.
Wait, really? How is it being able to separate cleaning faster?
What?
Yeah. Explain to me. The battery is removable, allowing for longer cleaning sessions if you have it. Oh, it's spare battery. Okay.
The battery is removable, allowing for longer cleaning sessions if you have a spare battery. The vacuum's design is lightweight and ergonomic, making it easy to use and maneuverable around the house. The yellow nickel color scheme adds a stylish touch to its appearance. I love cleaning up this office with this thing, it's amazing. I'd say it's worth the price. So there you have it. 7, the lucky number. 7 items that caught my eye for this year's Labor Day sale. I'm Isaac, thank you for watching. I know what I'm getting this year. Coffee! Yeah!
Whoa!
Thank you.
Damn, who's this?
Could be yours for the low price of